Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the latest fresher recruitment updates. Also, we'll be seeing some internship updates. So the companies that we are going to see today are Dell, Cognizant, Wipro. Then we'll be seeing a recruitment update from TATA, ELXSI, Capgemini, and also Adobe. So we'll be seeing the recruitment updates one by one in this video. So if you are interested, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. There is actually opening for people from +2 qualification above actually. So the first recruitment update we are going to see is from Dell Technology. So Dell Technology is hiring for representative to inside sales for the Hyderabad location. So here let's have a look on what is the essential requirements. You should be having high school diploma or equivalent or a bachelor degree or equivalent. So they have not asked for any specific degree or diploma qualification, or even if you are having +2 qualification and above, you are eligible for this. This is a sales related post. Okay. So if you are good with sales area, then that is the only requirement. Other than that, they have asked for good understanding of computer technology, basic computer knowledge you need to have. That is, you should be having basic computer knowledge, result-oriented team player, strong communication skills, presentation and problem-solving skills. These are the requirements. Okay, so this is the only essential requirement. Anybody is eligible for this post, please to apply for it as soon as possible. This is the post for representative inside sales. Okay, so please to apply for it, and in order to apply, just click on this apply now icon, and that is the only procedure here. Please fill up the application form and apply. Okay, anybody with diploma qualification +2 or any graduation is eligible. Next recruitment we are going to see is from Cognizant. So Cognizant is hiring for interns, that is for internship posts they are hiring, and for multiple locations actually. Gurgaon is there, Hyderabad, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Noida, Pune. Okay, so this is actually a mass intern recruitment. Okay, the stipend or the CTC that you are going to get is 25,000 per month will be the CTC. Okay, they have given all the details here. Okay, so let's have a look on the duration of internship. It will be 4 to 6 months. After the internship, you will be normally absorbed in the company. That is the case. Okay, so eligibility criteria is 60% and above. Any year of pass out is fine. Okay, whichever year of pass out you are having, 2015 or 14 or whatever year of pass out, it is fine. Okay, so anybody with any year of pass out, a lot of people do ask me, because a lot of people with career gap, means they have passed out in 2015 but still they are searching for job. Now all those candidates are eligible to apply here. Okay, so that's why I have actually brought up this recruitment notification to you. So please to apply here. Any BBA, BSc, BCom, MBA streams is eligible to apply. Okay, 6 months of work experience would be an advantage. Otherwise also you can apply, no problem in that. Okay, so if you are having these qualifications with any year of pass out, please to apply for it. Year of pass out doesn't matter. Okay, so this is an internship opportunity. The last date is 31st of December. Please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, next we are going to see again a recruitment update from Cognizant itself. So this is a programmer trainee post. This is a full-term post, and this is for 2020 and 2021 batch. Okay, so specifically they have given here that this is for 2020 and 2021 batch. But for the previous recruitment update, any batch of pass out is eligible. Okay, the deadline for application is 6th of January and the location is all around India. They have actually given the notification. Okay, let's have a look on the eligibility criteria in detail. 2020 and 2021 batch BCA, BSc, IT, computer science, computer technology, maths, physics, chemistry, statistics, these courses are eligible. Okay, maximum 2 years of gap they have allowed, but no standing arrears is eligible. 60% minimum you should be having in 10th, 12th diploma and all the milestones of education. Okay, last date is 6th of January. So please to apply for it. This is a full-term job and the CTC they are offering is 2,52,000 per annum. Okay. Next is a recruitment update from Wipro. Nowadays, actually, Wipro is hiring a lot of people for many different posts, and any year of pass out is eligible, any graduate is eligible, and freshers are clearly eligible. Okay. Associate Payments is the post name. Hyderabad is the location. Here, you should be having little bit of knowledge with banking transactions, internet, credit card. That is the requirement. Okay. Only freshers in graduates. Only graduates and freshers are eligible. Okay, only freshers are eligible here. So if you are interested, please to apply by clicking this apply icon. Next recruitment update we are going to see is Associate YT Hyderabad. Okay, so here they are hiring for again freshers. The requirement is that basic written and verbal communication skill with proactive and positive approach, strong in nature, should be able to means you should be good with handling content with professionalism and maturity, should be having good work ethics. Only basic things they're asking. Okay, though no specific qualification or certification, nothing like that. Okay, so this is the recruitment update from Wipro. 2 recruitment updates I am posting in description, and for both the recruitment updates, any batch of pass out is eligible, any graduation is eligible, so please to apply for it. Okay, next recruitment we are going to see is from Capgemini is hiring. So they're hiring for the post of software analyst. Okay, so here they have given that for the first 6 months you will be getting a 10,000 stipend. After the 6 months you will be getting 2.5 lakh per annum. Okay, so eligibility criteria is diploma in computer science, EC, information science, IT with the year of pass out 2020 and 2021 batch. Okay, percentage of cutoff you should be having 60% in 10th and diploma. So this is a diploma hiring. Okay, so Capgemini is hiring for diploma candidates. In today's video, I have brought up a lot of recruitment updates for diploma candidates specially. So please to apply for it. A lot of people with diploma qualification ask me in the comment section about recruitment updates. So here it is. Please don't miss out. Apply for it. Selection process will be consisting of online test, technical interview, HR discussion. That is going to be the 3 stages of selection. Just like any other software company, here also they are conducting 3 stages of selection: online test, technical interview, and then HR discussion. Okay, so please to apply here. Okay, now you can see the application form below the notification itself. Just read out the notification clearly, and if you think that you are eligible, please to apply for it. Okay, yeah. Next one is a recruitment update from TATA ELXSI. TATA ELXSI is conducting a mass recruitment drive for 2021 and 22 batch. For these 2 year of pass out, now if you see, the maximum openings is coming. Okay, especially for 21 and 22. Okay, so the eligibility is year of passing should be 21 or 22. Educational qualifications is B Tech, ME, Tech, MS, MCA with no backlogs and no more than 1 year gap. Maximum year gap allowed is 1. Okay, a minimum 60% you need to have in 10th and 12th. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria here. If you have attended the TATA ELXSI recruitment process in the last 6 months, you are not eligible to apply here. You can see the application form just below the notification itself. Okay, next one we are going to see an internship opportunity from Adobe. So Adobe is hiring for tech intern. Okay, so here this is a full-time job, means internship will be full-time. After that you will be converted as a permanent employee. So the location is Bengaluru. If you are interested in working with Adobe, just click on this apply icon and first create an account with Adobe Careers, and then fill up the application form and apply for it. Okay, so in this video we have seen actually a lot of recruitment updates. I have tried to bring maximum recruitment updates for diploma, especially because a lot of people ask me. So if you're finding these contents useful, please do apply for it. Please do share the videos with your friends also, and please like, share, subscribe to the channel. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and keep on watching. Keep supporting.